bit more what has happened in about a minute and a half, minute 40 until we open up. Futures have just kind of toggled around unchanged, and not a really big surprise there. I threw up what I do have on my watch list for zones, but if trade is anything like we saw yesterday, I'm not too psyched about doing a whole lot. I did have this up in the room earlier. This is what the interest rate picture is looking like as far as probability of a no decision or a decision not to move rates is about 32%, which puts a 68% chance that. Now remember, this was nearly zero a week ago. So there's a camp that thinks that we're not going to do anything. My thoughts are that they're going to cut, and then they're going to maybe temper that their expectations for a ton more. But that's it. So let's see where we open up here.